Ibn-e-Sina make an experiment. Puts the two lambs in a cage. Lambs are the same age, weight, same breed, and fed with the same feed. All conditions are equal. However, there is a wolf in a side cage and only one of the lambs can see the wolf. Months later, the lamb sees the wolf because it is restless, weak, and frail. Although the wolf did nothing to the lamb died due to fear and stress it experienced. The other lamb, which doesn't see the wolf, is well fed and overweight because it is quite peaceful. In this experiment, the Ibn-e-Sina observed the positive and negative effects of mental influence on health and body. Unnecessary fear, worry, anxiety, and stress harm the human body. Here is the verse that we should engrave in our memory. Whoever puts their trust in Allah, then He is sufficient for them. Surah Talaq, Ayat 3.